You've been crushing it in corporate America for years. And what do you get for it? You get a measly, 3% raise that barely keeps up with inflation. And you have to ask your boss for permission to take 1 or 2 weeks vacation. And that's it. That's all you get for the year. Meanwhile, the company you work for or the clients you have, if you're an entrepreneur, are making record profits off of the sacrifice you have to make with your family and with your time and with your hard work. My wake-up call came when my mother passed away. And I went into HR, into my company, and they said 2 days. 2 days was all that I got to grieve the woman who raised me, my really close family. That was all that I got. My world felt like I collapsed. And I got 2 days, and I was supposed to come back in on day 3 and pretend like nothing happened. It fundamentally just broke how I valued what the true cost is of staying in corporate America or working for a bunch of clients that don't give a F about you. Because the reality is your company doesn't care about you. Corporate America doesn't care about you, your health, your family. And the sooner you realize this, the sooner you can start taking small steps to build a life that allows you to buy back your time and live wherever you want, like in Mexico, where I am right now. And more importantly, spend time with your family and the people you love, because that's the most valuable thing there is in this world. Now, I bought into the whole become an entrepreneur and do your whole business thing, but I quickly found myself sitting in my 4th Zoom call of the day, a meeting that could have been an email, and talking about a project that didn't really matter to anybody, with deadlines that were completely made up and just not relevant to anyone. And I was doing this for a client who would replace me in 2 weeks if I dropped dead. So I was sitting there thinking, I'm like, is this it? Is this what entrepreneurship was supposed to be? Just basically my corporate job repackaged? But instead of having one boss, I have 10. And now when I was in corporate America, I tried all the things. I tried hustling and flipping things on Facebook Marketplace. I tried e-commerce. I tried buying a boring business. I owned a barbershop for a year and a half, which was a terrible mistake. But here's what I wish someone told me earlier. You don't need to hop on the newest trends, and you don't need to build a huge multi-million-dollar business. And you definitely do not need to work 16-hour days. What you need is a lifestyle business, a business that allows you to make profit and buy back your time. So you can work 3 days a week like I do. Because today, last month, my business made just over $53,000. And that's with me working 3 days a week. And I'm not some genius. I didn't build some new app that a big tech company bought. And I really just followed a specific system, the Autogrowth system. It's designed for people exactly like us. And it's not luck. It's really for people who want freedom, who love and want their family and more time back with their family, and want to escape the cubicle prison. And that's exactly why I created the Autogrowth Academy. Okay, so here's how it works. Here's what is actually going to happen inside the Autogrowth Academy. To start, I'm going to walk you through the 90-day system that is going to allow you to build your lifestyle business from scratch. Even if you're already an entrepreneur, or if you have a full-time job, or even if you have kids, or even if you've tried and failed launching your own business before. Phase 1 is what I call the freedom offer, because most people fail when they overthink. And I used to overthink my business idea and my pricing all the time. And so I would get stuck in this place where I was researching for months and months and months and never launching. So in the first 30 days, I'm going to help you identify a simple, high-value offer based on your skills that you already have. No employees, no complicated tech, and definitely no more 50-hour work weeks. Phase number 2 is how to get your first clients in 30 days. I'll give you my exact marketing frameworks, the outreach scripts and templates, literally everything that you need to get paying clients without spending a dime on ads. And of course, I do have ad modules as well if you want to supercharge your growth with ads. If you follow the exact work I lay out in this module, you are going to land your first client in the first 30 days. And phase 3 is where we build the machine. This is my favorite part. This is where you get to work on automation, where we use AI heavily You get to work on delegation. You get to work on systematizing your business. And that allows you to actually step back from the operations and really grow your revenue, and while you can honestly work less. And this is really essentially what Dan Martell's buy back your time philosophy in action, because you're not building another job for yourself. You need to build an asset that runs without you. So by the end of the 90 days, our goal is simple: that you have a business that is generating real revenue, like 10, 20, 30, 50K a month, that does not require you to work 40, 50, or 60 hours a week. That's the whole point of this game. Now, don't just take my word for it. I have some reviews that I got to show you right now, but I got to pull it up on my screen, so you're going to get like a weird angle of me in the palm trees right now. So Alex Lavender, one of the first people I worked with, he's a mortgage broker. He was working 50 hours a week, and he could not afford to hire an assistant. And so he just had to keep working more and more if he wanted to make more. But now, after implementing the Autogrowth content system, he has 5x his annual income, which is friggin' crazy, by the way. And he has hired 2 assistants to allow himself to buy back his time. And there's Lindsay Hampson, who helps other companies get an EcoVadis certification. She was able to grow from 100K a year to more than 500K following these exact frameworks and my marketing strategies. And now Lindsay gets to take every one of her children to their hockey games and gets to watch her children and her girls play in the hockey games, which is what she wants to do. Now, I'm going to share a bunch more reviews on the screen right now, and I could go on forever, but you get the point. These people are not unicorns. These people are also not billionaires. They're not building the next like crazy technical app. So I really want to share with you these people because they're regular people that are exactly where you are right now. The only difference is they took a leap of faith. They stopped consuming content and they started taking little steps of action every single week, week after week, inside a system that actually works. So here's what you're going to get when you join. First, you get the full 90-day lifestyle business system. It's step-by-step courses that walk you through from I don't know what to sell to I have a systematized business generating me real revenue. No fluff, no 47-hour course that you're never going to finish. All of my video lessons are like really quick and actionable, and it allows you to do this like in really just like 5-10 minutes every couple days, so that we can fit it into your busy life, because I know we're all very busy, and that's the point. I'm not trying to make you work more. I'm trying to make you work less. The second thing you're going to get is weekly live coaching calls with me every single week. That way I can honestly help you, and it's not some random assistant. It's not some AI chatbot. It's actually me on these calls every single week. You can bring your specific situation, roadblocks you're having, questions. You can get direct feedback from me. We can take a look at your offer, your website, anything. This alone, I honestly think is worth more than the entire membership, because like so many business owners and entrepreneurs are like charging thousands of dollars an hour to get access to people who have skills like marketing, like what I have. But you get this every week for an insanely low price. And then third is the actual community itself. So this is a room full of other people that are on the same mission to work less and live more. And honestly, being surrounded by people who are also on the same path is just so valuable, by people who just get it. And the fourth thing you're going to get is you are going to get all of my frameworks, all of my templates, all of my marketing strategies, the exact single ones that I used with my marketing agency that has built literally multi-million-dollar brands. And you can use this for yourself. You also get all of my AI automation workflows and step-by-step AI automation software building, like vibe coding. It's insane what you can do. So you're all going to get all of this, and so that way you don't have to start from scratch. You're literally plugging into a system that's already been proven. Now, I get a few FAQs from people, so I got to pull this up here, what the FAQs are that people have been DMing me. Okay, so some people say that I don't have time. Yeah, this is exactly why I built the Autogrowth Academy. It's like a go at your own pace, and each video lesson, it's not these crazy like 55-minute lectures, right? I am building you 5 12-minute videos that are insanely actionable, and it's just literally the step-by-step, no fluff, just exactly what you need. And this entire system literally works in as little as 1 hour a week. I think you should work a little bit more than 1 hour a week, but if the 4-hour work week is your goal, then by all means, that's cool too. And at the end of the day, if you have time to doom scroll on Instagram or watch Netflix, then you have time to be in the Autogrowth Academy. Another question is that you don't know what business to start. That's literally phase one. Like, you do not need to show up with a business plan. And if you already have one, that's great. We can show you exactly what to do in order to modify your business. And so that way you can build a systematized business that actually allows you to work less and make more. And people have asked me that they've tried other courses in communities and they just didn't get value from other people. And I get it. You know what? The internet is full of a lot of people selling like $10,000 coaching programs. And that's not what I'm selling you. It's insanely expensive in my opinion. And it's honestly just a bunch of like recycled YouTube videos with like BS content. And that is not what the Autogrowth Academy is. This is a real working system that I use in my own business and with my marketing agency. And it also has live coaching with me every single week. And it has real community. So if you've tried other programs before, kudos to you. I really respect the fact that you do take a leap of faith. But if they worked, you would not be watching this video right now. And someone messaged me and said $97 feels like a lot to me. Let me reframe that. $97 a month is $3 a day. That is less than your daily coffee. One Starbucks a day, and you replace that with something that could literally put your life on a completely different trajectory, allow you to like spend 4-5 days a week with your family, with your kids. Oh my God, that's pretty valuable. So cut your Netflix subscription, sign up for the Autogrowth Academy. Now listen, I'm getting up because I gotta go. My toddler's gonna be done napping any minute now, but there's really two options from here. So, option one, you are going to close this page and you're gonna think about it, right? And you're gonna feel inspired for like an hour, and then Monday hits and you are back to doom scrolling Instagram, and you are in that cubicle again, stuck in the same loop for another year, and your kids are another year older. And that voice in the back of your head that says, maybe there's more to life than this, well, it gets a little quieter. Not because it went away, but because you didn't try anything new. Or you can use the link below right now to join the Autogrowth Academy and join a community of lifestyle entrepreneurs who are following this Autogrowth 90-day lifestyle business system. And slowly, day by day, week by week, month by month, you start building something real. And 90 days from now, you're gonna look and you're gonna have your first clients, your first money in the bank, and your first taste of freedom and what it actually feels like. Not in 40 years, not when you retire, right now. So I'm not gonna make this decision for you. That's not for me to do, but I know that the cost of staying still is not zero, right? And you know that too. And every month you wait is another month you don't get back. And it's money that you're leaving on the table, to be honest. And your kids will never be the same age again. So click the button and join the Autogrowth Academy, and I'll see you in our first coaching call. Side note, I've actually been in Mexico for like the past 2 months, which is kind of funny that I'm filming this video like literally here, which is like incredible. This isn't a vacation for me. This is just life. And this is what I want you to do too. So use the link. I'll see you soon.